What's up, everyone? This is tywon with H2Hubb, and we're going to do a test video for the HM-500. This system is produced by Hydrogen Med, but it goes under the brand of H2Rich. And this is an update video. We actually did a test video for this system in the past, but we're going to update the video, so we're going to do another one. And we do these videos to show you that the system is actually producing what we've tested it at and what it's claimed at. That is something that is not very seen on the market. It's kind of third-party testing to show people that these systems produce what they claim they produce. And so that's the purpose of these test videos, is to actually show you what it's producing, so you can see for yourself. You can go to H2Hubb's website. We actually have a report on every system that we recommend that shows our actual test results. We do far more tests than just one. So we actually try to get an average for what the system is producing. But in this video, you'll actually get to see what it's producing. So this system is claimed to produce 500 milliliters per minute of pure H2 hydrogen gas. And so it actually has about a 10% sway there. So it can go 10% above that, 10% below that. We've tested this system about 540 milliliters per minute in our testing. And so with no further ado, let's go ahead and do the test. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do a gas displacement test on the system. It's going to be milliliters per minute. So what we're going to do is we're going to allow the system to displace the water for 15 seconds. And then after that, we will multiply the amount of gas that has been displaced to water by 4 to get an approximate of how much gas is producing in a minute. And so let's go ahead and begin the test now. Okay, so let's see what we got. System is at 105. Okay, so 125 in 15 seconds. So 125 milliliters. 125 milliliters in 15 seconds times 4 will be 500 milliliters per minute. So this is right at where this system is claimed to be. We've actually measured this system, like I said, at our location, which is a little bit above sea level. It's about 277 meters. So we've measured it at our location, about 540 milliliters per minute. So that's not really converting it to SATP. So this is right exactly where this system should be, or right in the range of where it's claimed to be. So that is the gas, or the milliliter per minute gas output test for the HM-500. This system can be purchased through H2Hubb, and you can receive a great discount, over $1,800 off of this system. Right now, we're actually doing a promotional deal with H2Rich, so people can get the system plus additional items, including free shipping on this system for $3,800. This system generally retails for $6,000, and that's not including shipping. And for a system like this, it's pretty standard for a device with this quality to range in that range. So if you can get this for more than 40% off, I would say do it. It is a system we use in our own home, and it's a great device. So that is it. We'll catch you next time at the H2Hubb.